13mm ratchet. One bolt out, same for the next one. You can see that this one has an indent over here. Don't know if it's focusing, but it's dead. This one was the culprit, or the message I was getting in the dash about brake wear. The other bolt next is the safety clip. Get yourself a piece of wire and let it hang. This was the inside brake pad. It's very worn. And this is the outside one. Still has some life left in it, but not very much. Now the piston is pressed inside quite neatly. Okay, that one done. Now the next thing to do is to clean up the port carrier. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. Okay, so what you need to do with the slide pins, you don't really need to take them out. Just insert the pick tool inside and be careful not to hurt the rubber. Fill the boots inside and turn them 180. And make sure they slide easily like that. Now repeat the same process for the other one and you should be good to go. Okay, now we take these two bolts and we fix the caliper carrier, but before we do that, the grease needs to be applied here and here, so here and here, right? Okay, so this is how greased pin should be. You don't want to get pin over here because it's close to the brake disc, neither on this side nor on that side. It's way easier to grease them up right now than to grease them up later, because you won't be able to see that well when you work on the back side. Each of the bolts needs to get a dab of anti-seize. I recommend this much, okay, because this is a red one, and again, torque specification for the bolts which hold the brake caliper carrier is 150 Newton meters. Okay, that's as tight as they need to be. One more time. That's not good. Okay, so it was not seated properly. Another thing which you need to be aware of when mounting brakes, and be sure to have the directional arrow pointing out towards the point of rotation. So this one goes inside. You have to take off this one, this plastic sealant. The other brake pad over here goes there, but because this one has an indent over here, the indent communicates with this hole over here in the brake caliper. We're gonna do it like this. These two bolts, this amount of anti-seize, okay. That's it. Now we need to fit the brakes. This is the brake sensor. And the only thing to do is put back the wheel, torque the wheel spec for wheel torque is 130 newtons.